Hi everybody, Justin Caldwell here from Caldwell Equipment. I wanted to tell you about a really great buy that we have on a SnowDogg V Plow, and it's a lightly used model, and I just want to show it to you here on the video and tell you some details about it. So here it is. So this plow is the 9'6" V Plow by SnowDogg. So this is what we call a demoed plow. In other words, it's been hooked up and it's been used in a demonstration capacity, but it's going to sell with a full 2-year factory warranty. So as you can see, it's got some wear on the cutting edge, just a little bit, and like the decal is wrinkled here. It's actually missing the decal from the other side that says VX2. Included in the price, we can replace those decals if that's important to you. But this plow is basically a brand new plow. It's going to have a 2-year factory warranty. Huge 9'6" capacity. Of course, this plow is super productive whenever you're pushing piles of snow. This is a plow that can go on most 3/4 ton and 1 ton vehicles. It's got the headlights, of course, included. This has the rapid link attachment system, so this can be put on your truck and taken back off of your truck in a matter of about 30 seconds. So super easy to put on and take off. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on the price tag because this is a really great deal. Now I want to explain the price tag. So this is the price, $77.45, if you are going to pay with our financing plan, which is a 3.99% for 54-month plan. So we actually offer a discount if you go to this tier, and on this tier you can get credit or debit card price, and so it saves you about $300 to pay with a credit or debit card. The cash price is obviously the cheapest way. Now, cash is cash, a cashier's check, or you can do a 0% for 6-month plan, and we can still honor the cash discount price. So now, one thing I definitely want you to understand, this is a package price. So when I say this is a package price, that means that it includes your truck specific mounts and wiring for your particular vehicle. And then of course the entire plow with the remote control, the headlights, everything comes as a package price. So you're going to get everything that you need to do the installation of this plow on your truck. Of course, the only thing that's not included is the installation labor itself, which we can provide installation labor if you want to have that done here at our service department, which is right behind me here. That's where we do the installation of any snow plows or salt spreaders. But just so you know, let's say maybe you're looking at this ad and it's from quite a while ago, posted on YouTube a while back, and you're thinking to yourself, that plow's probably already sold. Why would I even reply to this? We keep these demoed plows every year, so we have a big supply of demoed plows, and there are a lot of times when we have brand new plow packages that are priced almost exactly the same as this demoed plow. So we're one of the largest SnowDogg dealers in the country. So if you want to look and see our exact current used snowplow inventory, go to caldwellstore.com and you'll see our current used inventory. If this ad's still on YouTube, please give us a call, 636-586-9607. And then also you can text us on that number. You can look us up at caldwellequipment.com. But again, if we don't have this particular one, maybe this ad's been on YouTube for a while, we have a huge offering at all times and really good deals on brand new plow packages. So please give us a call. We'll be glad to help you. Thanks a lot for looking.